Okay, this video is for test review chapter 6. This is the construction response. We are working out these answers together. Read the first problem, please.
Brandon bought 30 baseball cards. They came in packs of 10. How many packs of baseball cards did Brandon buy? Explain how you found the answer.
Okay. So, he bought 30 baseball cards. They come in packs of 10. How do I work this out, or what do I do to figure this out? Tyson? Okay, how many 10s does it take to get to 30? You can think of it like that. How many 10s does it take to get to 30? So, how would I do that? Okay, I could skip count. However, it gives us the big number and then one of the small numbers, right?
Yes.
So this should be division, right?
Yes.
So we would be doing 30 divided by
10.
10 equals. Now, if I want to divide, what can I do? It can be more than one way. How about this? Instead of counting up by tens, let's start at 30 and do repeated subtraction. Okay, so if I'm doing repeated subtraction, what do I do? 30 minus what? 10. What does that equal? 30 minus 10.
20.
20. I'm not to 0 yet, am I? So I put my answer at the top. 20 minus
10.
10 again, which is?
10.
I don't have 0 yet again, so then I have to put my 10 up here. 10 minus
10.
10 minus 10 is?
0.
Okay. So 30 divided by 10 is what, guys?
3.
What is it?
3.
How do we know?
Because there's 3 groups of 10.
Because we
We divided, subtracted 3 times.
did not divide 3 times. We
We
subtracted 3 times. Yes, we subtracted 3 times. Okay, explain how we found the answer. I did repeated
Subtraction.
subtraction. 30 minus 10 equals 20. 20 minus 10 equals 10. 10 minus 10 equals 0. I subtracted, subtracted 3 times. So that, so 3 is my quotient. So 3 we'll write that after I spelled it correctly like I want. Okay, 21 said to do this array. Write the related facts represented by the array. You're writing 4 equations, 2 multiplication, 2 division ones that show what this array shows. Okay, performance task. By the way, guys, you guys might have to do something like this. Repeated subtraction or with it like this array tomorrow on your test. You need to study these tonight. Now we have the performance task. You're probably going to have something like this too. Let's read the problem. There ways to make 20? Callie, stop. How many ways? Tell me one way to make 20. Jacob. Okay, which is, he's making equal groups, so we want students. 4 groups of 5 students. 4 groups of 5 students. There's one way. Give me another way.
5 groups of 4 students.
Yes, 5 groups of 4 students. 5 groups of 4 students. This is kind of like what you guys did on your last test, finding ways to. Last time you were trying to find ways to make 250 or 240.
Yeah.
This time you're just making 20.
Wait.
Yeah, last time you made 240 because you had to do
We had to
80
find-
times 3 or something like that.
I thought we was in the hundreds. I thought
It
it
was.
was 100.
Okay, I need another problem, or another way to make 20. Eli?
2 groups of 10.
2 groups of 10. 10 students. I'll just write 2 groups of 10, right? 2 groups of 10 students. Or what's another way? Can we? 10 groups of 2 students. I like that we do the commutative property. Is there yet another way to do it? Aubrey? 10 groups of 10 students would be 100 students. 10 times 10 is 100, not 20. 2 times 10 is 20, not 10 times 10. Edmund?
20 times 1.
Which it would be, we're doing groups and students here, so you can't just say 20 times 1. You gotta say what?
1 group of 20.
20 what?
Kids.
Students. 1 group of 20 students. Or, what's the last way? Callie?
10 groups, 20 groups of 1.
Yes, 20 groups of 1 student. Is there any other way to make 20?
Yeah.
How?
You can't use subtraction.
No. That's grouping is division or multiplication. It is not subtraction or
6
addition.
5 times?
6 times 5 is what? 30. 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, so no other ways. Tell how you know how you found all the ways. What did you guys use? You guys told me. Edmund just said it a minute ago. What did you use?
Division?
Yeah, kind of use multiplication.
Yeah.
Okay? Or you could have used counters and put them in different groups. Okay? We can say we used multiplication facts we knew. But we could have used counters to make different groups?
Because what is 21 to them?